Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are serving up the best, that's how it is.
Oh, the best.
Breakfast of all time. Yes, friends, it's the new thing, breakfast salads.
Our first breakfast salad we're gonna do is a bagel and lox salad. We have a little take on it. We have our romaine lettuce all chopped up and ready to go.
Romaine chopped.
Then
Fantastic.
on top of that, we're gonna add smoked salmon, cucumbers, hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, capers, fresh dill, and then to top off, we have bagel crisps. So that's our little take on bagels with lox and smoked salmon. So keep piling them all around. So we're gonna make a nice light lemon dressing to go with the salad. So we have olive oil, fresh lemon juice, honey, lemon zest, and a little bit of salt.
It's going in everything. You know what's so amazing about this is it's such a healthy and hearty way to start your day. And I really feel like what a great...
This is the Twilight Zone.
A great way to wake up.
Did you just zone out?
I fell asleep a little bit. It got me up too early this morning, but thankfully I'll have my breakfast salad to wake me up.
So it's quick, it's healthy, it's simple. We'll just lightly dress it.
Fantastic.
And there you go.
Okay, that's breakfast salad number one. Check it out. How good does that look? Like really, who needs waffles?
Our second breakfast salad is a berry kale salad, and we're gonna top that with cinnamon toast croutons.
Fantastic.
See, that makes it breakfast.
Yes, it does.
And then we're gonna have an orange dressing to go on top of it. So we have strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, some roasted almonds, and then our croutons. And again, you can substitute any type of berries or fruit that you like. To make the dressing, we have orange juice, olive oil, fresh lime juice, honey, and a pinch of salt.
This looks great.
So I'm gonna whisk that together, pour it on top, and your breakfast is served.
This is fantastic. It makes me want to go to sleep so I can wake up in the morning and eat these. Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. For both these recipes, see below.
And if you like what you see, breakfast salads, hello, trending, press like, press subscribe, and check out bitememore.com for more delicious breakfast recipes and salad recipes.
Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, I'm gonna be Howard Cosell.
That's not what I do. Today in the Bite Me More kitchen.
That's way better.